Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, Goodyear DuraTrac tires with 2-inch lift, Z71 package, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom here, right next to the speakers. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents there. You're going to have these cloth heated bucket seats with driver adjustable lumbar here. Super comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your trailer mode as well as 2- and 4-wheel and lighting controls. Left side steering wheel will be your cruise control and as well as the heated steering wheel with the black bow tie there. And you got the right side of voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges here, air filter, transmission fluid, all that fun stuff, as well as you got your other settings here as well. It's going to be push to start down there, classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. You got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar services and trailer lights as well. And you can also access your rear camera with Hitch guidance. Below that, you're going to have your dual zone climate control, heated seats, and hill descent control with your rear liftgate and traction control. 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt, lots of extra storage, and the cup holder and center console storage as well. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same heated cloth finish, wood and chrome across with the double glove box, speakers and vents up top with some storage above, and then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and SOS. You're going to use blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear DuraTrac tires. Like I said, this is Z71 package with the paint match mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handle. Got the Trail Boss badging with the paint match corner step bumper, dual exhaust, the trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. Sounds pretty damn good. There you go. 2 LED lamps on each side with 12 bed tie downs and the spray and bed liner. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior. You're going to have more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power windows with a wooden chrome. It's a crew cab, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, 2 USB ports as well as a 12-volt. Of course, right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You're also going to have storage behind the seats, storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated seats, Goodyear DuraTrac tires, 2-inch lift, tow hooks, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer brake, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.